Lifetime cordless senior clipper blades for precision sharp cutting. Self-sharpening stainless steel blades in proper alignment for smooth cut, suitable for dry, wet hairstyle. No more snagging and pulling. They are engineered for long-lasting precision and premium cutting performance. Time-tested and powerful yet very quiet motor. 8W heavy-duty motorhair cutting machine enables you to cut through all kinds of hair with ease and efficiency all day long. The motor is not only powerful, but hair clipper cutting kit is also quiet, at only 65 decibels, quieter than many other models. Rechargeable beard trimmer with battery. The hair clipper is signal lighting up when it's charging or using. The trimmer's rechargeable lithium-ion battery offers up to 240 minutes of operation time after a full 3-hour charge. Adjustable taper level guide comb. The lightweight housing unit makes professional hair clippers easy to use. Easily adjust trimming length with the integrated taper level from 1 to 3 mm in length, and 6 standard length limit combs respectively 1.5 mm, 4.5 mm, 3 mm, 6 mm, 9 mm, 12 mm. Corded, cordless hair clipper. Use with or without a cord as your favorite. Take the travel hair clipper together when you go business trip or travel. It can be used as a universal hair trimmer while its voltage is 110V 240V, designed for international use. Top reviews from the United States. Love these, a much-needed update to the old pair. These are a game changer. I cut my son's hair, I also cut my hubby's and keep up his beard. These have taken this project I hate into one I actually don't mind doing. There is no cord, they come charged. We used them the day they were shipped. They are so lightweight it's unreal, compared to the old buzzer set we have.